Hello and welcome to This Locality That Project, the special segment on Yamuna Expressway. And I'm your host Shilpi Dudeja. In the previous show, we guided you about the Yamuna Expressway corridor, and today we will showcase the plotted development sectors here. From the entry point of the Yamuna Expressway to the Jewar Airport side, there are a wide range of plots available here. From Pari Chowk to Jewar Airport side, residential plots, commercial plots, institutional plots, industrial plots and townships of various sizes generate demand here. The upcoming infrastructure has also attracted builders to develop plots and villas on this expressway. Agricultural land is also available on the both sides of the expressway here. A gamut of commercial, institutional, mixed land use as well as residential properties including affordable flats can be found on Yamuna Expressway, making this area a reality hotspot. The 2700 square kilometer expressway is being developed in phases by the authority. Some plot projects here are Supertech Upcountry, Gaur Yamuna City, Gaur Krishna City, Solitarian City and Oris Green Bay Golf Village. In Dankor, in Vaikso, the Green Cottage, in Vaikso A City and the Onric Homes are a few plot projects. Till Jewar, many plots have been launched by the Yamuna Expressway Authority and some gated plots development by the private builders. Some plots are also available on flood zones, but these cannot be registered because they are not approved. While buying plots on the Yamuna Expressway, one must check all the land titles, authority approvals and conversion of land. Shubham Jewar City, Jewar Airport City, Mount Atelier and the airport residence are some of the popular plot projects here.
4000 मीटर के ऊपर का अगर कोई औद्योगिक आवंटन चाहता है तो उसको सीधे निवेश मित्र पे जाना है, जो उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार का आधिकारिक पोर्टल है माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी का, वहाँ उसको अप्लाई करना है और विद इन 15 डेज़ उसको एप्लीकेशन के बाद उसको इंडस्ट्रियल अलॉटमेंट उसके डीपीआर पर इंटरव्यू के आधार पर दे दिया जाएगा। इसी तरह रेजिडेंशियल प्लाट अगर किसी को पाना है, लेना है, तो वह उसके लिए स्कीम जो हमारी निकलेगी उसमें अप्लाई करे और रेजिडेंशियल स्कीम में वह जो है लॉटरी के द्वारा उसको प्लाट प्राप्त होंगे। अभी होटल और कमर्शियल स्कीम से कुछ हम और लाने वाले हैं जो एक्सप्रेसवे पे ही है, वहाँ पर जो है वो बिड होगी, कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी केवल बिड के माध्यम से अलाट होती है। इसी तरह अगर इंस्टीट्यूशनल कोई अलाटमेंट किसी को स्कूल, हॉस्पिटल्स जैसे कोई चैरिटेबल इंस्टीट्यूट्स वगैरह बनाने हैं तो वो इंस्टीट्यूशनल कैटेगरी है, उसकी स्कीम भी खुली है और जो एप्लीकेशन आती है वह साक्षात्कार के आधार पर 15 दिन के अंदर जो है उसका आवेदन पत्र निस्तारित कर दिया जाता है।
Many school, colleges, hospital, malls and restaurants are present in the developed sectors of Greater Noida, which can be easily accessed via the Yamuna Expressway within 25 minutes. Key schools here including the Shri Ram Millennium School, Delhi World Public School and St. Joseph School. Major hospitals in the corridor are Sharda Hospital, Yatharth Super Speciality Hospital, Apollo Greater Noida Hospital and the Government Institute of Medical Sciences, GIMS, Greater Noida. Galgotias University and the Gautam Buddha University are prominent universities located here. The Grand Venice Mall, MSX Mall and Omac City Centre are some of the nearest malls. Land on Yamuna Expressway is available under various land uses. In Sector 24, mixed land use can be seen via authority approval. Mostly plotted development is available in this sector. Commercial and residential land is also available here. Plot sizes vary from 60, 90, 120, 162, 200, 300 and 500 square meter. These are priced between 16,000 rupees per square meter to 20,000 rupees per square meter. Apart from this, sectors like 22D, 20 and 18 have authority plots for end users and investors. One can also buy plots on Yamuna Expressway under various schemes. Sectors 17, 19, 21 are also focused on residential and commercial plots. In these sectors, the residential plots price vary between 65 lakh rupees to 1 crore. Most plots here are on road of 12 to 24 meter. Land in Sector 33, 29, 28, 21, 22E is the industrial purpose, and these sectors have many industries running. Sector 29 has commercial land also. In Sector 22F, 21A and 15B, recreational green plots are available. Residential projects in Sector 26B and 26A are focused on high-rise and plotted development. Sector 25 and 26 is a dedicated sports complex area. Villa projects are also available here, which commands good rental return.
29 में 3 पार्क आ रहे हैं, MSME पार्क, अपैरल पार्क और हैंडीक्राफ्ट पार्क। इसी तरह सेक्टर 33 में टॉय पार्क के लिए कल ही हम लोगों ने एक स्कीम लाने का निर्णय लिया है, क्योंकि हमारे पास काफ़ी एप्लीकेशंस आ गई थी और उस पर खिलौनों पर अब काफ़ी आयात शुल्क भारत ने बढ़ा दिया है और BIS स्टैंडर्ड तय कर दिए हैं। इसलिए भारत के जो डोमेस्टिक प्लेयर्स हैं, टॉय प्लेयर्स हैं, मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं, उनके लिए अवसर हो गया है कि वो जो है वो अपनी प्रतिस्पर्धा में, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रतिस्पर्धा में स्वयं को साबित कर सकें।
More than 21,000 residential plots in various sizes of 100 to 200 acres can be seen on both sides of the Yamuna Expressway. Presence of 5-star hotels and upcoming infrastructure can change entire picture of this area. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share it. You can follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Insta also. Thanks for watching this Locality Dat project. Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and click the bell icon to get new videos.